Hey, what's going on, weavers? Tim here again, and here are two minimalist diamond knots that are super easy to tie and are great for lanyards, zipper pulls, and whatever else you can think of. Here's the first knot. This is the triangle knot. Start with both running ends pointing downwards. Then with the left cord, we're going to make an underhand loop around the right cord. After that, with the right cord, we're going to move it to the left and behind the opposite cord. Then around the front and through the first loop you made. We've tied a snake knot, which is the first part of this knot. From there, we're going to cross the right strand over the left strand and then pass the right strand through for an overhand knot. So now we have a snake knot and an overhand knot. What we're going to do now is bring the snake knot down past the overhand knot and then at the same time cinch the knot closed. So just bring those snake knot loops down and cinch the knot up. Firm up the piece and we have our triangle knot, which does have a diamond-like shape, though upside down in this case. For our second knot, I don't know the exact name for it, so if you do know, please chime in the comment section down below, but here's how we tie it. We're going to have both running ends pointing upwards, and then the right cord is going to bend back down and form a bite. Then with the left cord, we're going to bring it down and lay it across the other cords while forming a bite on the left side. Continuing with the same cord, we're going to wrap it around the back and then through the bite on the left. After that, the right running end is going to move behind the standing ends and then over the front and through the bite on the right side. Then we can gather the running ends and pull on the standing ends and then cinch up and tighten our knot. Just work all the slack out and get that knot nice and firm. And as you can see, this one does have a very nice diamond shape, and I'd say much more of a diamond knot shape than the first one. So there we have it, two minimalist diamond knots. Great for lanyards, zipper pulls, and so much more.